Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can fix battery drain issue after updating iOS 18. So the first step that you can do is close all your applications. So make sure that you close all your apps so you don't have any issue on your battery draining. So number two options here is turning off your location services. Go to your settings here on your device and then go to privacy and security and then go to location services. So from here, as you can see, just have to turn off or you can select specific app and then here just need to select on while using the app. So this can help you to basically fix the issue on your battery. Now the third option here that you can do is by disabling your background app refresh. So go back to your settings here and then from here I want you to go to general and here on general scroll down and find background app refresh. So basically just have to turn this off so it should be fixed the issue. Right, so I'm going to turn off my lower power mode and just select Wi-Fi, maybe Wi-Fi or turn this off or go to the specific app where you want to disable this background app refresh. Now the fourth option that you can do is by turning off automatic download and updates. So as you can see, if you're going to open your App Store, going to your apps, then you will find all the apps here, all are updated. So if you want to turn this off, all you need to do here is go to your settings. All right, so we're going to go back to the home screen. All right, from here, and then go to the settings, and we're going to look for the App Store. So from here, you just have to tap on the App Store and you'll find an option that says App Updates. So here, automatically install new app updates. So you just have to disable or toggle it off. Now, the next method that you can do is force restart. So if you're going to force restart your iPhone or iPad, this can help you to fix the battery draining issue on your device. Next is removing weather widgets from your home screen or lock screen. So just tap and hold the weather widgets and remove it on your device. Next is enabling dark mode. So if you're going to enable the dark mode, go to settings and then go to the display and brightness. So right over here and then go to the dark mode. All right, so this can help you fix the issue. Another one is by updating all application. This can help you to fix the issue. So go back to your App Store, your profile picture at the top right, and you can manually update all the applications. Now, the next method that you can do to fix the battery draining issue on your iPhone is by turning on the low power mode. So to do that, go to your settings and then go to the battery settings and enable the low power mode. It reduces the background activity like downloads and until you can fully charge your iPhone. And the last method that you can do if the problem persists is by resetting all settings. So go back to your settings and then go to general, scroll down to the bottom and select on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset. So those are the methods on how you can fix the battery draining issue on your iPhone iOS 18. So thank you for watching and see you on the next video.